This is our calibration protocol for the 2.0. After loading the primary program onto the computer, you commence as the first thing we do is we level our calibration bar. That we do by means of placing the level on your primary point. The primary point is the area by the side adjuster arms. We always adjust the side adjusters first because the front will vary based on that. So we are level front to rear and side to side from our primary point. Now we come to the computer and we put it to the CCD program. Scroll all the way to the bottom.
Look for CCD service.
And we allow the program to open up. Okay, we then hit the blue button and we go down to calibration menu.
Hit the green button.
Hit the green button. The password is F8, F7, F6 and F8.
Oh, what is shift? F8.
When you see the button is redundant, like this.
Yeah.
You push function. When it's single, like F7, you see, you keep it without.
The function.
Yeah.
Okay. So F8. One value we have this. Not sure.
To put it randomly so you start again.
Right, once you've done that, you go into your calibration menu. You're going to self-calibration. We select 8 sensors and then we push the green button. And the green button again. Are you sure? Yes, you're sure. Right. At this point, you've now got to mount the left front sensors as described on the screen, the front left and the front right as shown on the screen. So we mount the sensors and ensure that they are level. And we ensure that they are switched on. Make sure that the red light is illuminated. Right, the machine needs to understand 2 things. It needs to understand 0 and it needs to understand 3 degrees. So we're now going to teach it 0 by pushing the grey button on the sensor. Right, it has now accepted that. So now we push the green button to go to our step 2 of 8 and we add the 3 degree spacer. Carefully to the bottom. Right, we now push the F5 or the grey button once again for you to put a check mark in 2 of 8. Once the please wait disappears, 2 of 8 has now been accepted. So now we push the green button, which will take us to our next step, which is the right side sensors onto the machine. So we are going to remove these sensors and we're going to put on the right side sensors. So we're now mounting the right side sensors onto the calibration bar.
Right. Yeah.
And of course leveling it.